Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito isang timeless money career reading for you. So, maaari itong mag-resonate sa inyo sa past, sa present, at sa future. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Scorpio. Sa money muna, kaperahan. What is the recent past energy for Scorpio? The Magician. Maaring meron kayong sinubukan na investment. This is something na parang somehow parang sumugal ka. Oo, dun sa investment na yon. And I think you are parang malakas or malaki yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo for that financial investment. And you know na ito ay magiging rewarding, will come into fruition. So, let's see your current energy. Sa money. 8 of Pentacles. You are really working hard. You're doing the work. Kumbaga, ito yung tipong hindi ka nagtitinamad. Yes, meron kang mga inaral or pinag-aaralan or mga pinag-aralan mo na related sa investments mo. But at the same time, hindi ka rin tumitigil sa pag-enhance pa ng pwede mong ika-unlad financially. You are mastering your financial skills. Pwede ring in the past, nag-organize ka ng iyong cash flow. And ngayong current situation, current energy mo, you are really following, no? Pina-follow mo talaga yung routine or yung mga sinet mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mong i-take na actions to make things happen for you. So, near future, Knight of Cups. So, I see that whatever you are doing right now, meron siyang fulfillment in a way na you will feel you are deeply connected dito sa ginagawa mo na to. Let's say, for example, you are investing into cryptocurrency. So, in the recent past, hindi ka lang basta sumugal doon, inaaral mo rin. And ngayon, continuous ka rin na nag-aaral pa, continuous rin na mas nilalaliman mo yung knowledge mo dito. And sa near future, you will realize that you really love doing it. Nag-e-enjoy ka. So, tinan natin yung iyong career, recent past. Ace of Swords. Meron kang great idea pagdating sa career mo, sa business or negosyo mo, na maaring sinubukan mong simulan in the past. There's also a realization na you need to start a business, no? Lalo na kung wala ka pang business. And then, let's see your current energy sa career. Two of Swords. At this point, meron kang pinagdedesisyonan. It's either you are making a decision whether papasok ka sa isang business or magtatrabaho ka ulit. Alam mo yun? Parang tipong nag-iisip ka kung ano yung mga iba't iba pang options na pwede mong gawin na gawing trabaho or career to generate more money. Kasi you are enjoying creating money. Ano yung near future for Scorpio sa career? You have the Four of Cups. Parang ano to? Masyadong mataas yung dinedemand mo para sa sarili mo. To the point na hindi mo nakikita yung progress mo. Or parang dinidismiss mo yung progress mo kahit na alam mo namang may nag-improve sa'yo. Kaya lang, nakikita mo na it's not the way you are envisioning it or hindi siya kagaya ng paraan na inaasahan mo. And also, maaring magkakaroon ka ng point of comparison na bakit yung friend ko ganito rin naman yung ginagawa, ganito rin naman yung career niya, pero bakit parang mas successful siya sa akin? Ganon. I think you just need to focus on what really matters to you and i-celebrate mo yung mga milestones mo, kahit maliit lang yan. Kasi yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng, motivation to move forward. Ano yung advice sa mga Scorpio? Money, career. Ten of Wands. Take leadership roles. And Ten of Wands is about yung mga obligations mo eh. You are really doing the work. Okay? And ito yung tipong kayanin mo. Kasi this is really what you are capable of. Kaya mo siya. Kaya mong i-handle. And then you have the Knight of Swords. This is also being true to yourself. Na ipaglalaban mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. So if you really want, halimbawa gusto mo tong business na to, yung career na to, then do the work. Ano yung requirement niyan, ng trabaho na yan, ng business na yan, ng career na yan, para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. 'Di ba? Para maging successful. Just do it. Because ito naman ay magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang rewards or magandang resulta. This is going to be rewarding sa'yo in the future. Let's see what else. Scribe. Meron ka raw talent sa writing, content creation, and your words are powerful to influence others that you can use to bring income. So, yung iba sa inyo, social media influencer. Pwedeng nasa marketing kayo, magaling kayong kumumbinse. You are feeling relaxed with your finances right now. Your wants and needs are met, though being complacent isn't a good idea. Yes. So, pag may mga times na parang feeling mo, okay na ako rito. Minsan, hindi rin naman maganda na maging kampante lang lagi. There's always another way to improve yourself. Wow, lucky. This is your lucky time. Things are turning in your favor. Take advantage of this opportunity and make the most out of it. So you will experience lucky things, mga maswerteng bagay sa iyong career, sa business mo, or sa finances mo during this time. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.